dialogue between the customer and a salesman in a shoe shop.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
I have come to buy a pair of shoes. Can you please show me some shoes?
Yes, sir. We have different designs of shoes.
Please show me a pair.
Do you wear size 10?
No, I wear a smaller size. It's 9.
Here you are.
Sorry, I don't like this design.
Wait a bit, sir. We have some latest designs of shoes. I hope you will like them.
Bring me a pair.
Here you are. Please put on this pair of shoes.
I don't feel comfortable with this pair. Please bring another pair of shoes.
Here you are. I am sure this pair of shoes will be comfortable to you.
Yes, this pair will do. How long will it last?
You can take it without doubt. This product has 1-year warranty.
How much?
2,000 taka, sir.
Oh, 2,000 taka is a lot of money. Can't you reduce some price?
Sir, this is a fixed price shop.
Then pack it, please.
Here you are. Please deposit your money at our cash counter.
I'll do it.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.